We are in Black Forest at a place called Section 16. Sounds a little Hunger Game-ish, I know. But basically, we're here because we're just going to enjoy our Lightning. We're going to get out here on our bikes. I'll show you now. We'll get the tires aired up. I'm sorry, I got a little distracted trying to start this video. I looked over at that license plate right over there. Look at that, right over there. You ever seen a license plate called Milk Dud? All right. Anyways, all right. So we are getting out with our Ford Lightning, and those of you that have watched my channel for a little while, you know I just tell you all the pluses and minuses and everything that I enjoy about it. Now, this is the only thing I've really actually used the tow hitch for so far. I haven't towed, but this whole bike rack, it's a Thule bike rack. It is awesome. It is awesome. It only holds 2 bikes, at least the version that we have, but it is really, really cool. And it does not impact range at all. It is super, super cool. So, and then also I was going to show you, there's like the little cigarette lighter looking thing. It's not a cigarette lighter, but that's the 12-volt plug for any of these little accessories. And I've used this for even airing up my tires. So if they're a little bit low or something like that, and it actually works really, really well. So we're gonna air up our tires, and then we're gonna get our bikes down and get on the trail. So my wife bought me this from Costco. You look at that. The truck is not on right now, but I did notice that it actually doesn't last very long unless the truck is on. What are we looking at? I love the Lightning. It is really awesome. It is super cool. But we have this Thule bike rack, and we're gonna get the bikes down. I'm gonna plug the GoPro up to, I got a little thing right here. We're gonna put the GoPro on the bike and see what kind of footage we get on the trail. But unlock the little security lock there. Now this, something that I didn't show you on the last time whenever we actually bought this, I didn't know that this part could come off, so you could kind of wrap it around any which way. So it's pretty easy to get these things off. Then you loosen this part right here. And you do that before you do anything with the other side. That way it doesn't fall over. And then you put your little handle part right here, lift this up, bring it down, and then lean it out a little bit. And there you have it. It is super, super easy. So we're gonna get the other one off now, and then we're gonna get on the trail, get my other helmet on, my non-Cowboys helmet, and we're gonna get on the trail. So let me grab the other one off. I'll just show you real quick how easy it is. Same thing. You come around over here and you unlock it. Sorry for the wind, guys. It's pretty windy out here today. Turn that, you unlock it. Again, that part is flexible there. And then come over here. Loosen that up. There we go. And the thing I like about this too is this whole thing right here, you can pull this in and it lifts up, so you can travel with it on there. It's pretty sturdy, actually. I really love it. It keeps the bikes right where they are. So it's pretty awesome. I don't know if you can hear me because of the wind, but we're gonna get on the road. We're gonna get on the trail and enjoy our bikes, get our helmets on, and I'm gonna put my little GoPro right there on the little bike, and we're gonna see what kind of footage it gets.